What up, it's Trends by Cartier, and today I want to show you guys how to use this razor. I know a lot of you guys have questions about it, so I'm going to show you guys how to use the straight razor, the proper technique. So with the razor, you want to make sure that the hand that doesn't have the razor is pulling the skin so that the hand that is actually using the razor is able to slide in the opposite direction of where the skin is being pulled. You also want to make sure that you are holding the razor firmly so that you don't drop it on the client and cause you to cut the client or end up cutting yourself. So you need to learn the proper precautions and techniques of holding the razor at all times. Now with the razor, you don't have to dig in the skin or apply any type of pressure. You just pull the skin and glide the razor in the direction that you want it to go in, okay? You do it this way because you don't want to cause any irritation to the skin, and you don't want to cause an accident of actually cutting the skin and causing it to bleed. Using a razor can also cause razor burn, so keep that in mind. You need to make sure that you are using the proper technique because you don't want to cut or cause a razor burn. Using the razor is not that difficult. It's just once you get over the fear of actually using the razor, you'll be fine. It took me a while to get used to the razor because I wasn't using it first in the beginning of my barber career. But whenever I got into a real barbershop and I started using the razor, I started to become more comfortable and confident in my razor work. So the best thing to do to get your technique down is to always practice. You could use a balloon and some shaving cream. Just put the shaving cream on the balloon and practice your strokes on the balloon. That could actually help you to gain more confidence in your technique. And the other thing that I did was I didn't shy away from the razor. Any opportunity that I could use the razor, I will always use it just to get practice in. Now with the razor, it all comes down to, thinking about sharp lines and going behind your trimmer. Going behind yourself with the razor actually makes the haircut look sharper. And this could actually help you as a barber to elevate your services or whatnot. Because if I'm not mistaken, a lot of barbers don't know how to use a razor. So this particular thing will actually help you to stand out from other barbers. So with using a razor, just be careful and to remember to pull the skin in one direction and pull the razor back in the opposite direction. Make sure that you're holding the razor firmly in your hand to where it doesn't slip, and just move the razor accordingly. You know what I mean? So don't be afraid of it. It is a tool to help you and not to hurt you. And at the end of the day, this will actually help you to stand out as a barber. So the main thing that you need to do is to practice using the razor, and you'll gain more confidence. And to get the best result with the straight razor is making sure that the skin is clean. This will actually help the razor to move better, and it could actually, prevent you from causing any type of irritation or anything like that to the skin, because the skin is clean.